Meet the DuraPost HD Commercial Post, the powerhouse of commercial fencing. Engineered for tall, high-performance fences and built to take some serious wind loading. It delivers strength you can depend on. Precision made in the UK, each post is crafted from a HX380 LAD ZM310 pre-galvanised structural steel, with 3mm steel doubled to form incredibly strong 6mm flanges and a 6mm web, giving it exceptional rigidity and durability. It's protected with a Magnelis pre-galvanised coating. This post offers a remarkable 30 to 50 year coating service life to C2 and C3 environments. It outperforms traditional hot dip galvanising. Choose the strength that suits your project. You've got the 2.4 metre that weighs in at 28.3 kilograms, the 3 metre that's at 35.4 kilograms, or 4 metres weighs in at 47.2 kilograms, 4.7 metres is 55.6 kilograms, 5.5 is 65 kilograms. Each size delivers serious substance built for demanding commercial installations. The DuraPost HD Post is a direct alternative to RSJ 127x76 sections and larger. It removes the need to source, cut, drill and galvanise plain steel, offering an off-the-shelf solution that is extremely strong, ready to install and has no welded weak points. Manufactured from a single cold roll steel sheet and finished in corrosion-resistant Magnelis, it delivers long-lasting protection and reliable performance in all environments. It's a robust solution designed to perform. Built for tough environments, the HD Commercial Post is ideal and can be used for many commercial applications such as housing developments, public realm, public sector, rail corridors, road, highways, railways, retail, education, hospitals and much more. For strength you can rely on, contact our commercial team today on 0345 350 3824.